Good morning to all of you. Today's word is presented by Aram, and the thought is success is about who you are, not what you have. Thought once again, success is about who you are, not what you have.
Good morning to all of you. Today news is presented by Aram and the top headlines are: Sunil Mittal become first Indian to knighted by Britain's King Charles III. Sundar Pichai blast unacceptable Jimny image generation failure. Himachal Speaker suspend 15 BJP MLAs. Modi slams DMK rocket with Chinese flag. Some news from sports. Shikhar Dhawan hit 39 on return. Organization keen on cricket in 2026 Asian Games. Thanks, have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Today word is presented by Pravati Ross. In the word is lion. In Hindi, say in Garo, Singo. In scientific name, Panthalio.
A warm and a pleasant morning to one and all present here, respected principal in charge sir, respected teachers and my dear fellows. I, Gurwalan Chowk, class 11, is standing in front of you on behalf of Army House for delivering a speech for the topic of confidence. Actually, the topic was just decided last night when we faced that the students of our class 10 and class 12 were everyone in the whole India are really having lack of confidence during the exams. Not only the board years, we are also non-boarded classes, we are also failing there. I will just start my speech with a short story of my own elder brother. My brother was in class 8 and from class 8 only he started the preparation for his class 10 and 12 boards. He studied for PCB for his future plannings. At his class 8, when the final exams were going to happen, he was really having a great fear for exams because he didn't study anything during that whole year. I was his younger brother, so I had a chance that I will be scoring better marks than my brother. So I was having a better opportunity. So I was taking this chance as being really a grace of God for getting a good marks than my brother, because we face competition in our own families also. But at the end, when the results came, my brother was having a better marks and really a great margin from my own marks. And only the answer that I asked from my brother that why and how did you score this marks? Why? Because I was preparing good and I was younger, so I thought that I will get a good marks and get better opportunity. He said to me that you are preparing not for your own betterment, you are preparing to get better than me. But I prepared at the last moment for my own betterment, and I was confident that I can do better than you, and I can do the better performance than my previous ones. So that confidence led him to get a better opportunity and a better marks than me, and that single incident made my life as such event that every exam that I faced after that moment was really, even if I am not prepared full, I just think that I have to be confident about that exams. Because after the time we have entered to the exam halls, and for any opportunity in the life, when we are at the last moment, when we have to face that, we can't take our foots back at that moment. At that time, we just have to be confident. Lack of confidence just leads us to be feared about anything, and that fear sometimes may also leads us to failure. But overcoming that fear may lead us to get better and really a best opportunity that we can get. And we all are having potentials to do better, everything that we want and we can do. But the problem is we are working under our capabilities, and we are just having that range that we will not exceed this capability range, and we are just like this only, we will not change. That resisting done by our own mind is making harm to our own self only, not to others. And that this fear always leads because of the lack of confidence. Our teachers, our family members, our seniors, anyone we are good to even speak, they always try us to say that be confident on yourself. Self-belief. Self-belief is just made by the confidence that you have on yourself, that I can do better. No matter that at the stage of class 9, class 11 or any class we are fearing that I have not done anything, I will not getting a better opportunity, that is not a matter. That day when we realized that I was fearing for my success, and at the day when we realized that I will be doing better from today, that day gives us a new chance. And I know, and I can even feel that at a moment when we are not serious about our own topics, our own achievements, and we just face a goal, we just set a goal for ourselves and we are not preparing for it. At a moment that comes, then when we are not having a self-belief that I can be approaching that moment, that I will be achieving this goal. But at that time, when we realize that we can achieve that goal with some other perspectives, taking any other route, that can only be done by our own self-belief and self-confidence. So my friends, I just want to say at the last that be confident on yourself, because failure is just a single moment that can come in our life, but learning from that failure and not preparing and getting prepared well from that failure can always be leading us towards our succeeding part. So I will just last my speech with a quote that we are braver than we believe, stronger than we seem, and smarter than we think. Thank you all for lending me your ears with patience. Thanks a lot.